Good morning, my dear friends. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. To begin with this new week, we would like to introduce our lately sold Mercedes-Benz tractor truck, model Actros 3340, equipped with OM501LE engine and J240 16 gearbox as a reliable and high-end product from Mercedes. Actros 3340 is featured with its comfort and outstanding road performance. With 410 horsepower and 12.8 liters engine capacity, it can reach a max speed of 112 kilometers an hour, a max output of 300 kW, and a max torque of 2000 Nm. Meanwhile, it's allowed to tow 49 tons of cargo at once. Choose Mercedes and own yourself a new lifestyle. Please like, comment, and subscribe us. More contents will be shared in the following posts.